Hey everybody, it's Greg from Nexus Property Management, and believe it or not, yes, we are here at Nexus's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. We're on the third floor of Doom, and as you can see behind me, it's a total disaster, it's a total mess, but you know what? It has 100% total potential. And that's what I'm here to talk about today, is that Nexus will be putting 27 loft apartments, not condos, apartments here on the third and second floor of our headquarters building. Now, we've been talking about this for many years now, going on 5 years, but that's how long it's taken to get the wheels in motion. And they're finally here, folks. Our roof, our windows, our environmental certifications, all underway, all ongoing. So we're very happy, we're very proud to be the beacon of downtown Pawtucket. So 27 units. And this building, very, very historical, okay? It's over 130 years old, and it used to be a horse stable, if you can believe that. We're on the third floor here, and this was where horses were stored. Unbelievable. They were hoisted up on the side of the building, put in here, and they were used. This was Arnold's Stable and Garage. That was the original use, Arnold's Stable. You could Google that and check it out. And on the side of this building, which I've included a little video that you can see, it has a biblical scripture. It says, "How do the beasts groan?" And that's purported to be because the horses at night would make such a loud noise. Okay, there were so many of them that streets across the neighborhood would hear the sounds. Okay, and that's referencing also in the Bible. But a great building here. A lot of potential, 20-foot ceilings, and a lot of mills in the area are just like this. They need a lot of work, but they have the beautiful exposed beam, the exposed brick. So we encourage all of our downtown counterparts here in Pawtucket and neighboring Central Falls to renovate your buildings because they have so much to offer. So well built, they've stood the test of time. Okay, they've been here since before my great-grandparents, and they're still here today. So we're happy to be the beacon. We're happy to be the light in downtown Pawtucket. We've received so much support, so much encouragement, and we want to send a huge thank you to Nexus's CEO, Mr. Nick Dagnillo, the man with the plan who's making this happen. Okay, and Nick's vision, it's incredible. I can't wait to show you future videos of how the progress is going, how the construction is progressing, and ultimately what the finished product will be. So once again, folks, thank you for joining us. This is Greg from Nexus Property Management, your property managed.